So, you've encountered a problem where your grid overlay is overlapping your sticky navbar in HTML and CSS. Let's dive into the details. The issue arises due to the position fixed property in your navbar, which takes it out of the normal flow, causing it to collapse. Removing or changing the position property in the grid item class affects the overlay effect. Now, onto the solution. By using a Flexbox container, you can address this problem effectively. The provided CSS code sets up a layout with positioned elements, flex properties, and styling for the navbar and main content area. This layout ensures that the header stays fixed while allowing the body content to scroll independently. Continuing with the solution, the HTML structure complements the CSS layout by structuring the elements within a flex container. The nav element contains a list of links, styled with padding and no decoration, while the main section holds the page content that may require scrolling. This setup helps maintain a fixed header and enables smooth scrolling for the content area. In summary, addressing the grid overlay issue overlapping the sticky navbar is key to achieving a cohesive layout. By implementing a Flexbox container with specific CSS properties and structuring the HTML elements accordingly, you can create a well-organized and functional web page. Remember, a balanced layout is crucial for a seamless user experience. Well, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to us.